A lot of people think you have to wait for a major sale to get a great deal on a cruise. You don't. Right now, you can book some cruise deals so good, they'll probably be sold out by the time the next holiday sale rolls around. I'm going to give you 11 incredible cruise deals, including several on the newest ships at sea, a couple of solo cruise deals, and a few deals that are, well, for adults only. I'm Gary with Optimal Cruising, bringing you the cruise insider information you need to avoid mistakes, save money, and protect yourself so that you can have your best cruise ever. All right, so this first deal is the cheapest deal I have on this list, and it's an easy one to get to because it's sailing out of Miami on the MSC Meraviglia. Now, this is a large modern ship. It was built 9 years ago, so it's not one of the newest ships out there. We're going to get to a few of those, but it is offering some incredible deals. I'm going to show you two options, but you can probably right now find several dates around this price range. Both of these options are for 6-night itineraries that are hitting the Bahamas and the Caribbean, including a stop in MSC's private island, Ocean Cay. The first one sails on November 29th, and it's for $329 per person. And right now, with the holiday promotions, they're offering kids sail free. And one thing I really like about this itinerary is that it hits Grand Turk Island and Nassau. But if you prefer, you can get almost the exact same deal on January 24th, sailing from Miami, and this itinerary stops at Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic, as well as Ocean Cay. Now, if you'd like to check other dates or get any additional information on this deal or any of the other deals mentioned in this video, I have direct links to each one in order in my description. Now we're going to take a look at a couple of great deals being offered by Carnival right now. In addition, because of the upcoming July 4th sale, they are testing the waters with their $50 deposit. So that's an extra benefit you can get with anything you book on Carnival right now. This first cruise is with the Carnival Celebration. Now this is one of their newer ships. It was only built 3.5 years ago. So you're getting something fresh in the water here. And this price is incredible for such a new ship, $491 per person, sailing on December 9th out of Miami. It is a 7-night Caribbean cruise. What I really like about this itinerary is that it includes stops in Half Moon Cay, which is Carnival's private island, which has been fixed up a lot over the years. It's a very nice place. They're still doing work on it, as a matter of fact. And you're going to stop at Celebration Key, which is their new private beach club on Grand Bahama. And that is also a great place to discover with 2 mega lagoon-style pools, swim-up bars all over the place. It's just a great experience. And sticking with the Carnival theme, this is an incredible deal on their newest ship in the water, the Carnival Jubilee. If you've been looking to sail on one of these mega ships, this might be one to try out. For only $787 per person, you can have an 8-night cruise out of Galveston, Texas. This cruise also hits Half Moon Cay and Celebration Key, which are great stops, as well as a stop in Nassau. Plus, it has several sea days, which gives you a lot of time to really explore and experience all that they're offering on their latest and greatest ship. And to find a price as low as this on one of the newest ships in the water right now is pretty incredible. Now, this price is being offered for 2 sailings in January 9th, and a sailing leaving January 23rd. Now, there are some others around that time period that are still pretty cheap. So if you want to check them out, look at the links in my description and you can investigate some other dates. But a year ago, you couldn't get on this ship for less than $1,200 a person. Now, if you think that's a good mega ship deal, wait until you see the deal I found on Star of the Seas. But first, I'm going to get to 2 quick solo cruise deals if you're looking to cruise by yourself. Anyone who's cruised solo kind of rolls their eyes at the single supplement, the additional charges they put on you just because you're cruising by yourself. But I found a couple of deals here for solo cruisers that rival the per person double occupancy rate. This is one on Carnival Horizon for $669. That's the total price for a solo cruiser. It's a 6-night Caribbean cruise leaving on October 4th that's going to hit Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and Celebration Key. And then I found a deal on the Norwegian Getaway for a solo cruiser for $789. That's the total price for a solo. Now, Norwegian is known for catering to solos, but the price usually isn't this low. Now, this is for a 5-day Caribbean cruise that leaves on December 5th, and they are offering the free at sea, which you can add on to this package if you like. It's not completely free. You have to pay the gratuities for the drink package or the dining package if you add those things in, but they are available, and the base price is killer for a solo cruiser. Next, I'm going to look at a couple of deals on Royal Caribbean's newest mega ships. But first, speaking of deals, we maintain a list of the best cruise deals you can book right now. It's constantly being updated. If you'd like a copy or a link to that list, just comment deals or click on the deals link in our description. If you live anywhere in the Mid-Atlantic or New England area, there is a sailing out of New York City on Odyssey of the Seas, which is a relatively new mega ship by Royal Caribbean. And I found dates for their 7-night Bahama cruise leaving out of New York for $840 a person. Now, this sailing leaves on March 7th, 2027, and it stops in Orlando, Coco Cay, and Nassau. If you've been looking to get on one of these new mega ships, this is a way to get there for a fraction of the typical price. Next, I have a 7-night cruise on Star of the Seas, which is Royal Caribbean's newest ship out there. This Caribbean cruise leaves on January 24th. It stops in St. Martin, St. Thomas, and the private island Coco Cay. And late January is a great time to go on a Caribbean cruise because you're getting out of the cold weather, but the Caribbean weather is still rather mild. It's not summer hot yet. It's more enjoyable, and you cannot find deals like this most times throughout the year on Star of the Seas. And if you like the brand new ships, wait until you hear this deal for a ship that hasn't even set sail yet. Now, before I get to the MSC World Asia, all of these deals are linked in my description. You can click on each one to get more information or even check other dates and pricing. The MSC World Asia is coming out later this year toward the end of 2026. And this is a sailing in January 2027. So you'll be one of the first waves of people to get on this ship. It is a Mediterranean cruise, so yes, you have to go to Europe to get on it. However, the price being offered for a brand new mega ship is unbelievable. This cruise departs on January 11th for $697 per person. And simply by joining MSC's loyalty program, you'll get another 5% off that, even if you've never sailed with them before. This cruise leaves out of Civitavecchia, which is the port nearest Rome. So you would fly into Rome, you get some time there. Then you're going to stop in Sicily, in Barcelona, Marseille, France, and a stop in Genoa before returning to Rome. Imagine not even having to pay $700 a person to be one of the first people on a brand new megaship. Next, we're going to take a look at several deals that are really for adults only. But first, if you would take a minute and hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and will continue to bring you Cruise Insider information. If you've been thinking of a Virgin cruise, you can now find some deals comparable to what you can sail on Royal Caribbean for. Here is a 6-night cruise for $654 per person on the Scarlet Lady. And this is a Caribbean cruise that, among other stops, is going to hit the Dominican Republic and St. Martin. Now, this cruise is for January 2nd, 2028. So again, it's well off into the future, but it is a great deal that you can lock in now with some other promotions that are going on. And Virgin is a bit of a more premium line. It is adults only, for one thing, and all the food is included. So there are no upcharges for specialty dining restaurants. All of their specialty restaurants are covered under the fare. And if you book with them between now and probably July 4th, although they could extend it, they are offering a free balcony upgrade on this particular cruise. And while this cruise is not adults only, it is more oriented towards adults. You're going to find less kids on many celebrity cruises. And this is on the Celebrity Constellation. It's a 7-night cruise that includes a stop in Key West and the Bahamas. It sails out of Tampa Bay. The lowest price was $677, sailing on January 16th, 2028. However, there were some similar prices to be found in late 2027. So if you want to look around, click on that link in the description and see what else you can find. But this is one cruise to consider if you're looking for a more adult-oriented experience. And then I found an even better deal on the Celebrity Summit, which is a 7-night cruise that includes stops in the Cayman Islands and Mexico. Now, this cruise departs on March 28, 2027, next March, and it's only at $588 per person. That is an incredible deal for a celebrity cruise. If you are at all interested in celebrity, I would lock this one in right away. And if you don't want that interior room, they're even offering the balcony on this cruise for $888 per person. An incredible deal for a celebrity balcony. So now that you know some of the best cruise deals being offered right now, there are some key things you'll want to do to make sure you get the most out of whatever cruise deal you book. I'll tell you all about those right here.